Good morning and welcome to Calypso Live at Sibos. This is our fourth day and our last day here in London, and I'm joined by three members of our executive committee, Tej, Richard and Mayank. Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning.
A first question to you, Tej. After 4 days here at Sibos, we have been hearing a lot about enhanced digital ecosystem, cyber securities. How are those two dimensions impacting Calypso?
Absolutely, Hervé. So it's about three things: openness, integration, agility. And these are core value propositions of Calypso. And part of the journey we've been on from inception, whether it's well-documented, curated APIs, and regardless of whether the client's deploying software on-premise or on cloud, the ability to provide software and services at the speed of their business. So clearly cybersecurity is front of mind for customers and front of mind for us. It's part of everything we do, whether that's secure coding practices, third-party validation, standards compliance, as well as working with our big cloud infrastructure providers who operate and maintain security at scale.
Thank you, Tej. The second question for you, Richard. Yesterday here at Sibos, we presented our first POC on failed settlement prediction leveraging artificial intelligence. How do you see those innovative techniques impacting Calypso?
So we also talked yesterday, Hervé, about compliance, and I really see this project that we've done as being an example of how we can apply AI and machine learning in particular to help our firms relieve the burden of compliance. I see very similar applications, for example, in the area of trade matching, confirmation matching and reconciliation. Anywhere where the volume of data is enormous, the time windows to respond to exceptions in that data are shrinking, and the costs of getting it wrong are onerous. So these are the areas, and this is where we're looking in our roadmap to apply technologies like machine learning going forward.
To you, Mayank. Calypso has developed a very robust ecosystem of partners for sales, for services, for technology. When it comes to innovation, such as cloud and artificial intelligence, how is this ecosystem evolving?
In this modern digital economy, it's very important for us to not only provide the best product, but also support it with an ecosystem of partners that can support the end-to-end requirements of our client. To that extent, we have partnered with 2021 AI for AI technologies, with AWS, Azure and Oracle for cloud, and then with regulatory providers such as DTCC and Market to support some of the regulatory reporting requirements needs.
Thank you, Mayank. As a conclusion, Tej, what would be your takeaway for the audience today about enhanced digital ecosystem and cybersecurity?
Sure, Hervé. So what we see in best practices in moving to cloud is not so much about reinventing where your software runs, but reinventing the business processes along the way, having a much more agile mindset, a DevOps mindset, and fundamentally moving IT at the speed of business.
Thank you, Tej. To you, Richard, what would be your takeaway for today?
Well, it might be a cliche, but our industry is changing, and it's never been changing faster. As a technology provider as we are, innovation is no longer optional. We have to innovate in order to continue to deliver values to our customers.
And to conclude, Mayank, what would be your takeaway?
In this modern digital economy, to add real value to our customers, we need to harness the power of our partner ecosystem.
Tej, Richard, Mayank, thank you very much. And thank you all for watching us during those 4 days here at Sibos in London, and looking forward to meeting you all next year in Boston.